Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to refinish a vanity chair. We're gonna start by taking the seat off. When I first got it, it was in the ARC store. It didn't have any screws on the bottom, so I'm gonna have to get some. But it was $10, but it was half off, so $5. This chair, we find it on the ARC store. Me and my friend Valentin find it. I told him I was gonna make a video how to refinish it, and I'm gonna use this spray can of metallic. It's a silver metallic, and I'm gonna start by shake it for a little, and then I'm gonna go with the details. I usually spray the can like sideways, so the middle parts of the chair will get some paint inside. I usually do several coats, like 3, because sometimes the paint, it does not stick to it, and it has some chipping, and just want to make sure it will last longer, the color. And whenever I try to put the sealer, I get to seal it good. I just want to return a good product to the customer. So this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna paint the whole entire thing. I'm just gonna give it the first coat, and then I'm gonna go next with the fabric change on the seat. It's kind of windy, so that's why I'm not using my mask. But it's very, very important to use your mask whenever you are using a spray can or any chemic, because you never know what those chemicals can do to yourself. So I'm about to do. At this part, I am taking the first fabric that it's covering the seat. I usually leave them with it if the fabric is fluffy and it helps the seat, but this time it's really hard, so I'm just gonna take them off. I usually use like a tool to lift all those screws or staples. And another thing that I do is checking the sponge. If it is way too old, I might have to change it, but I think at this time it looks pretty good, so I think I might keep that one. And I just prepared my gun so I can staple the chair on the bottom. I was looking through my fabric and I realized that I just have pink. I usually have white and pink. I was wanting to use white, but then I only have pink. I usually bought my fabric on Hobby Lobby, and it's pretty cheap. It's like 2.5 jars per like $23. Usually it's like you had a coupon on, you just look at online and then you have a coupon for 40% off, and it gives you a really good discount. So I just get to know that I always, when I go buy my fabric, I just find the coupon online, and it's easy for me to have a good amount of fabric with a pretty good price. At this point, I am just measuring the circle, trying to fix it. Make sure whenever you're putting the fabric on to cut it, the sponge is in place. Otherwise, you cut it even more, and you have more excess of fabric everywhere. Make sure to cut a circle that it doesn't cover the whole entire bottom of the chair, because whenever you are going to attach the seat to the chair, you will not be able to see those holes of the screws that goes on the bottom. and if you have a lot of excess of fabric, it will be harder to screw the screw on the bottom. So just cut it a circle and try not to have a lot of excess of fabric under the chair, so it will be easier to screw the screws on the bottom whenever you're gonna attach it to the chair. At this point, I am almost done by stapling the whole entire chair on the bottom. And make sure to not use long staples because you're gonna poke your butt, so it's not gonna be fun. I use the smallest one, so it will be easier. With this light, you cannot appreciate the real true color of the fabric, but when I'm coming out, you can. I'm gonna take it where I was painting the chairs, so you guys can appreciate how it will look together. But I'm not gonna sit it down with where the seat is because it still have fresh paint. I just still give it 2 more coats of paint. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the end result when I'm done with this project. And this is the end result. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy like I did. If you guys want me to do more DIY like this, please just comment on the bottom. Or if you guys have any idea of what you guys want me to refinish, please comment on the bottom again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thank you guys.